Welcome to Sniper. This tool gives you a token scanner, live launch feed, and a built-in safety report. Everything you need to snipe early. To execute a swap, click Swap on your target token. Adjust your ETH amount, set slippage. Here we're using 15%, then confirm the trade. You can verify the transaction on Basecamp. Check the hash and status to confirm it went through on-chain. The snipe queue shows your history. Failed attempts are logged here. You'll see Doge and WIF from earlier runs. To back up your wallet, go to Settings and select Reveal Secrets. Accept the warning. Store this somewhere safe. Never share it. Back on Basecamp, you can scroll through the full transaction data for a deeper look at what happened on-chain. In your wallet, tokens you've sniped are marked with a sniped badge. Here you can see Doge and Shield in your holdings. You can jump between the app and Basecamp to cross-reference your token details and holding status. Finally, check the ERC20 token transfer section on Basecamp to see the net ETH movement and confirm your swap hashes.